see. Today we're going to be, I'm going to install some mud flaps on my 2020 Tacoma. And for any of you who have any questions about that, I thought I would share. I got Lowlife on the camera here. Say hi, Lowlife. Papa Smurf.
Hi, Lowlife.
Back here to support, hiding from the camera right now. But
I'm here.
So
There's
here
Papa
we go.
Smurf.
We'll call this truck because I don't have a name for it. So if you want to tell me what to name this thing, hey, let me know. And anyway, we're gonna get right to it. This is my baby. I've got just about everything done on it that I want, but the mud flaps, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Kind of a bummer, I ordered front and back. My tires are too big to do the front, so we're just gonna do the back. Hey, maybe we'll do a giveaway for the front.
Could be
Let
cool.
me know
U.S.
what you
only.
think, guys. Yeah, very good point. U.S. only, please. All right, so I've already cleaned this with alcohol. It comes with a little protective film here. I'm gonna go ahead and use it because they sent it with it. So there you go. Anyway, so I've cleaned this with alcohol. The directions will tell you to wash your truck first. As you can see, I went not into it today, but I did clean it up. So this little sticker is just going to go right here on the outside to protect your paint. Because that little lip of your mud flap is going to go over this a little bit. So yeah, we're going to make that happen. Okay, so before we start, this is what I've got. Weathertech. I'm a Weathertech fan, so Weathertech, if you're out there, you can send me anything, I'll promote it. Anyway, got these babies from Weathertech. I use their window guards, floor mats, all kinds of stuff. What I like about these, no drill. Okay, they come made for your vehicle. So you just tell them what you got. It's very simple. The bolt pattern matches up perfectly, and it's a good product. They stand by the product. Okay, so here we go. Next step. Okay, so we're gonna get this little sticker on there that kind of protects our fender here. Like I said, I've already cleaned it with alcohol. The directions are very clear. I also like their directions. Each step is very clear. It's just simple. But what you do is I have a little bit of dish soap or baby shampoo you can use. And you just spray this down. And then you spray it also on the adhesive side of your little sticker. Spray it on your hands, and that's all so that you can manipulate it and get it in place before it sticks. Okay, so we're just going to do that. I know already that I'm going to start at this top bolt and go from there. So Papa Smurf here, my assistant, will, when I can get it off the paper here, will assist me in that. Okay, so a little squirt, please. There we go, that'll do. Starting at the bolt. And you kind of just go along the edge of your fender, because the soap allows you to move it around until you get it exactly where you want it. Okay. I've also got it on my hand, so that helps. And then you're just going to take your rag and you start gently drying it to get any air bubbles out.
Now, this reminds me a little bit of tinting windows. Is that kind of like the same process?
I believe it is, except that's one thing that I would not do myself.
Too many people
it's
with
exactly
skills to
like
do it.
that. You're gently rubbing out any of those air bubbles. Oops, I just moved it. See?
You see how it moves back.
It's so wet at first. You just have to be gentle with it, but it's simple. I've already done the other side because it needs to dry completely before you install the mud flap. And so when we're done here, I'll just go to the other side and install the mud flap so that you can see that. If I can Stop moving it. Okay. So just gentle with it and it'll stay in place for you. And it's that simple. And we let that dry. And we are good to go. Okay, we're back. So I've got my clear strip on this side. It's completely dry. You can't even tell it's there. So I like that. Good job, WeatherTech. The next thing you want to do is, you can see I've got my factory fasteners here that come, and then Toyota actually has a factory hole here for this purpose. So these, I'll show you, come set up perfectly to go just right on there. So very simple. I went ahead and took the first two fasteners out. This is a 10 millimeter socket you'll need for that. Real simple. So you get them out, and then WeatherTech sends you that extra bolt for each side. So now we'll get it on there, see how she looks. Let's see. I'll just do this top one first. Just tighten that a little bit to hold it in place. Well, thanks, Papa Smurf.
Well, absolutely.
So you don't want to tighten them down until you get them all in, of course. Alright, that's good there. Going crooked.
Pay no attention to the definition in Papa Smurf's arm. Ladies, he's taken.
Oh, okay. I guess I need to use the same ones and use the one they sent me for this extra hole. Sorry about that. Get that out of there.
Everything worth doing is worth doing twice.
Follow direction, huh? I don't follow direction well, never have.
Gotta turn your thing. There you go.
Always hit it with my finger.
You don't want to be down here any longer.
Okay, so there you have it. It is literally that simple. I've got my new
And it looks
flaps.
clean, if
Yeah.
I may say so.
Yeah, I like WeatherTech.
I mean, it looks
So-
like it's supposed to be there.
Yeah, I mean, super, super simple. Anybody can do it. Thanks for joining me, guys. Time for a beer.